Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tail light bulb on a Buick Encore. First, gather a few simple tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a pry tool, and an 8mm socket with a ratchet. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off before beginning any work. Next, locate the small access panel inside your trunk, directly behind the tail light you wish to replace. Now let's access the bulb. Using your flathead screwdriver or pry tool, carefully open the small access panel inside the trunk. You will then see two 8mm nuts. Use your socket wrench to remove them. Once the nuts are off, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It is held by alignment pins, so a firm, steady pull will release it. With the assembly free, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it apart. Next, locate the specific bulb socket for the tail light. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it from the housing. Gently pull the old 7443 bulb straight out of its socket. Insert your new replacement bulb, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands. To reassemble, push the new bulb socket back into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise until it locks into place. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Carefully align the tail light assembly back into its position on the vehicle, ensuring the alignment pins engage. Reinstall the two 8mm nuts and tighten them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to confirm it is functioning properly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.